All right, let's check out these Russell Stover mint patties and dark chocolate. So my passion is the dark chocolate treats out there, and I'm trying different ones all the time, and I have not yet come across these, so we're going to check them out. I guess they're a bit of a peppermint patty type of thing, a mint patty with dark chocolate on the outside. This is middle of summer in Tucson, so I'm surprised that they're not all melted up, so they seem to be in pretty good shape. All right, so you can see there's quite a bit of chocolate on top, a pretty decent layer of cream, which is out of the refrigerator. It's a firm cream, it's a really sugary cream, and then a layer of dark chocolate underneath. This is so much better than a milk chocolate version of something like this. Very good. The mint is not, man, I don't know if it's peppermint. It is a very crisp mint. It is sweet, but it disappears. It's like a quick mint in the mouth. And then there's plenty of flavor of that chocolate. I really, really like these. I think it's a good percentage, and it's a really good flavor. So my first impression, Russell Stover mint patties, 8 out of 10. Hope this helps.